Castor oil is not new. It's been used for over 4,000 years in ancient Egypt, India, and Africa. But what happens when you mix it with baking soda? The answer may surprise you. This simple mix is being called one of the most powerful home remedies today. Why? Because it works deep inside the body. It detoxifies, it heals, and it helps people feel better without medicine. She says it helps with skin infections, lumps, pain, and more. Some say it works like magic, but it's not magic. It's science. Let's start with castor oil. Castor oil comes from the castor bean. It contains a rare compound called ricinoleic acid. This acid fights inflammation. It boosts circulation, and it helps the lymphatic system. The lymph system is like your body's garbage truck. It removes waste, but if it gets blocked, toxins build up. That's when sickness starts. Castor oil helps keep things moving. It draws toxins out through the skin. It reaches deep into tissues. It also softens scar tissue. Barbara O'Neill calls it liquid healing. Now let's look at baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. It's more than just something for baking. Baking soda is alkaline. That means it fights acid. Many diseases like arthritis and cancer love acidic environments, but baking soda makes the body more alkaline. That helps reduce swelling and pain. It also pulls out toxins from the skin, and it balances the skin's pH. When you mix castor oil with baking soda, you get a powerful paste. Barbara recommends 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them in a small bowl. Stir until you get a smooth, sticky paste. Then apply it to the area that needs healing. Cover it with a cotton cloth. Then put a warm water bottle or heating pad on top. Leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. The heat helps the oil go deeper into the skin. It also boosts blood flow. That means faster healing. Some people leave the paste on overnight, but always test your skin first. Use a small patch on your arm. Wait 12 hours to make sure there's no irritation. Let's talk about what this remedy can fix. First, it's great for joint pain. Arthritis, knee pain, and back pain all respond well. Castor oil reduces inflammation. Baking soda pulls out uric acid and toxins. The paste brings pain relief fast. Some people say it works better than painkillers. Next, it helps with cysts and lumps. Lipomas, breast cysts, and fibroids can shrink over time. Barbara says this works by improving lymph flow. The paste softens tissue. It slowly dissolves hard masses. It may take weeks, but people report real results. Then there's liver detox. Apply the paste over the right side of your belly. That's where your liver is. The castor oil stimulates the liver. Baking soda balances pH and removes waste. People report better digestion, less bloating, and more energy. Some say they even sleep better. The paste also helps with skin problems. Acne, rashes, and eczema can all improve. Castor oil kills bacteria. Baking soda reduces redness. Use it at night. Wash it off in the morning. You'll see the difference in days. Another big use is for swollen lymph nodes. If your glands are puffy or tender, this paste helps. Apply it to your neck, armpits, or groin area. These are key lymph points. The paste reduces swelling and boosts flow. Many people feel lighter and more clear-headed after. Let's look at real stories. Jane, age 58, had a lump in her breast. Doctor said it was a benign cyst. She applied the paste nightly for a month. The lump shrank by half. No surgery, no drugs, just castor oil and baking soda. Mark, age 66, had knee pain from arthritis. He used the paste every other night. After 2 weeks, he could walk without limping. He even returned to light jogging. Lisa, age 43, had hormonal acne. She applied the paste to her jawline at night. Within 10 days, her skin was smoother. The redness faded. Her confidence came back. And then there's Ravi, age 60. He felt tired all the time. His digestion was slow. He used the paste over his liver each night. After 1 week, he noticed more energy, less bloating. His face looked brighter. These are just a few of the many stories. People across the world are discovering this remedy, and they're thanking Barbara O'Neill for sharing it. But how exactly does it work? Let's go deeper. Castor oil penetrates through the skin. It reaches organs, muscles, and joints. It doesn't just sit on top. It travels inside. There it reduces inflammation. It improves blood and lymph flow. It helps tissue repair. Baking soda, on the other hand, changes the surface environment. It fights acidity. It draws out infection. It soothes and dries excess oil. The combo is strong but gentle. Unlike chemicals or synthetic creams, this mix doesn't overload your body. It supports healing in a natural way, but you must use it correctly. Here's how. Always use cold-pressed, organic castor oil. Cheap oils can contain harmful solvents. Barbara warns against hexane processed oils. Go for the best quality you can find. Next, use food-grade baking soda, not the kind that's been sitting open in your fridge. You want it fresh and clean. Mix it well, apply a thick layer, use soft cloth, then add heat, not too hot, just warm enough to feel good, and never use on broken skin. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, check with your doctor. Castor oil can stimulate muscles and contractions. It's best to be cautious. Also, avoid using it on your face daily. The skin there is delicate. Use 2-3 times a week. That's enough. For joints and muscles, you can use it more often. Some people even make castor oil packs in advance. Just store the cloth in a sealed bag. Reuse it a few times, but always keep it clean. Wash with baking soda and warm water between uses. Now, some people ask, can you eat this mix? The answer is no. This remedy is for external use only. Castor oil can be taken internally in tiny amounts, but only under expert guidance. Baking soda can be mixed with water for stomach relief, but never with castor oil inside the body. Keep this as a skin treatment only. So what can you expect? After one use, you may feel relaxed. Your skin may feel soft. Pain may ease. After a week, you may feel more energy, less puffiness, better digestion. Over time, deeper healing starts. Tissue becomes softer. Lumps shrink. Inflammation goes down. You feel lighter, more alive. Barbara O'Neill often says your body is wise. It knows how to heal, but it needs help clearing the junk. This mix is that help. It removes waste. It opens blocked areas. It restores natural balance. And it does so without harming your system. No chemicals, no pills, just castor oil and baking soda, both from nature, both powerful, both safe, if used the right way. In a world full of toxins, this remedy is a blessing. It's simple, it's cheap, and it works. If you feel tired, puffy, or in pain, try this paste. If you have a mystery lump, try this paste. If your digestion is slow, try this paste. If your skin breaks out, try this paste. Don't wait. Start today. Your body wants to heal. Give it the tools it needs. Barbara O'Neill has helped thousands, and now it's your turn. Mix it. Apply it. Feel the change. You don't need to suffer in silence. Help is already in your home. You just need to use it. Healing doesn't have to be hard. Sometimes the answer is already on your kitchen shelf. Castor oil, baking soda, that's it. Try it tonight. Let's now go even deeper, because once you understand how powerful this remedy truly is, it becomes more than just a paste. It becomes a life tool, a natural medicine cabinet in one mixture. And that's exactly what Barbara O'Neill teaches, the power of natural healing, the power of your body, the power of plants and earth when used correctly. So let's begin this section by looking at one key system in your body that castor oil and baking soda target, the lymphatic system. Most people don't even think about it, but this system is like your body's drainage system. It carries waste, toxins, dead cells, and harmful bacteria out of your body. But it can get blocked, and when it does, your whole body starts to suffer. Swelling, joint pain, tiredness, brain fog, skin rashes. These can all be signs of lymph blockage. Castor oil, when applied with heat, helps open the lymph vessels. Baking soda pulls out the acidic waste. The combination helps the lymph flow smoothly. Think of it like unblocking a clogged pipe. That's why many people feel lighter after using it. They feel more alive. Their skin clears up. Their swelling goes down. Their energy improves. Now let's talk about the liver. Your liver is your master detox organ. It filters your blood. It breaks down toxins. It supports digestion. But in many people, especially after age 50, the liver becomes sluggish. It gets fatty. It stores toxins. That's when symptoms like bloating, fatigue, and constipation start. When you place the castor oil and baking soda mix on your liver area, amazing things can happen. The oil penetrates through the skin into the liver area. It improves circulation there. It helps the liver release stored toxins. It reduces inflammation in the tissues. Baking soda helps neutralize excess acids around the area. Many people report better bowel movements within a few days. Their stomach feels lighter. They feel less bloated. That's liver detox at work. And what about hormones? Believe it or not, this mix helps there too. Hormonal imbalances often come from stress, toxins, or liver overload. That's why women with PCOS, fibroids, or heavy periods sometimes get relief from this simple remedy. By reducing toxins, balancing inflammation, and improving liver function, the body's natural hormone levels start to stabilize. Now let's talk about immune support. Your body fights off viruses, bacteria, and cancer cells every day. But if your lymph is blocked or your liver is tired, your immune system gets weak. That's when you start getting sick more often, or it takes longer to recover. Castor oil boosts white blood cell production. That means stronger immunity. Baking soda reduces internal stress from excess acidity. That gives your immune system more power. Some people even use the paste during cold and flu season. They put it on their chest or back with heat. It helps loosen mucus and reduce coughing. Now let's move to the skin again. Your skin is your body's largest organ. It reflects what's happening inside. Acne, rashes, fungal infections, eczema, all are signs of internal issues, but topical treatment helps a lot. Castor oil softens skin. It kills bacteria. It promotes collagen. Baking soda exfoliates gently. It balances pH. It pulls toxins from deep within the pores. That's why this paste works even on long-standing skin issues. Some people apply it overnight to problem areas. They report results in just a few days. Even old scars can fade slowly over time, but consistency is key. You can't use it once and expect miracles. Healing takes repetition. The body needs time. Barbara O'Neill says, the body doesn't forget how to heal. It just needs the right conditions. Now, let's be clear. This is not a cure-all. It doesn't replace your doctor. It doesn't mean you ignore serious symptoms. But it's a support tool, a healing aid, a natural remedy with real power. And best of all, it's safe when used properly. So how should you use it? Let's repeat the steps again clearly. First, mix 2 tablespoons of cold-pressed castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir until it becomes a smooth, sticky paste. Use a clean spoon or glass bowl. Don't microwave it. Don't mix with metal. Apply it to the area you want to treat. For joint pain, apply to knees, shoulders, or back. For liver detox, apply over your liver on the right side of your abdomen. For skin issues, apply directly on pimples, cysts, or rashes. For lymph support, apply to swollen lymph nodes. Cover with a piece of flannel or soft cloth. Then place a warm hot water bottle or heating pad over the cloth. Keep it on for 45 minutes to an hour. Some people go longer, some leave it on overnight. But always test your skin first. Wait at least 12 hours after a patch test. If no redness or irritation occurs, you're good to go. After use, wash off with warm water. Use a gentle cleanser. Pat your skin dry. You may feel slightly oily. That's okay. The castor oil continues to work even after removal. Some people feel sleepy after the treatment. That's a sign your body is entering healing mode. Let it rest. Drink water. Stay hydrated. Support your body's detox. You can repeat this remedy 3-5 times a week or even daily for tough conditions. Some people rotate between body areas. Liver one night, joints the next, skin after that. Listen to your body. It will guide you. Now let's address some common concerns. What if my skin gets red? That may mean the baking soda ratio is too high. Reduce it. Try just half a teaspoon next time, or apply aloe vera after. Can I reuse the cloth? Yes, if you keep it clean. Wash it with baking soda and water after each use. Dry it fully before storing. Keep it in a sealed bag. Replace it every few weeks. Is it safe for kids? Generally, yes, but use less baking soda. Do not use heat on children unless approved by your doctor. Always supervise use. Can I use it on my scalp? Yes. Many people use castor oil for hair growth. Add a tiny bit of baking soda and apply to your scalp. Leave on for 30-60 minutes. Then wash with mild shampoo. Do not leave on overnight. Will it interact with my medicine? Unlikely since it's external, but always check with your healthcare provider if unsure, especially if pregnant, nursing, or on long-term medication. Let's now review the top 5 benefits again. 1. Reduces pain and inflammation. Perfect for arthritis, sore muscles and back pain. 2. Shrinks lumps, cysts and growths. Works over time with repeated use. 3. Detoxes the liver and boosts digestion. Helps with bloating, constipation and energy. 4. Clears skin issues. Acne, eczema, rashes and more. 5. Supports the immune and lymphatic systems. Helps prevent sickness and boosts recovery. This remedy is more than just a mix. It's a message from nature. A reminder that healing doesn't have to be expensive or hard. The tools are already in your kitchen. Castor oil, baking soda, a little time, a little heat, and a lot of care. That's all it takes. Barbara O'Neill has taught this for years. Her workshops are packed. Her videos are watched worldwide. Why? Because she shares what works, what's simple, what's safe. People trust her because they see results. You can too. Start with one area. Try the paste tonight. Be gentle with your body. Don't rush. Let the healing unfold. Feel the difference. Watch the changes. Trust the process. Your body wants to get better. It just needs your help. And now you have the knowledge. You have the tools. You have the wisdom of nature in your hands. Don't wait. Start your healing journey today. Mix the paste. Apply it. Relax. Let it work. You might be shocked by how quickly things improve. And if it helps you, share it with your family, your friends, your loved ones. Let's bring healing back home. Let's use what nature gave us. Let's honor the body's power to recover. One simple step at a time. Castor oil, baking soda, Barbara O'Neill's wisdom, and your willingness to try. That's all it takes. Everything can change starting now.